attitude, man. Problems. We all got them, bitch, so shut up and handle it. Can't handle shit. Fucking little bitch. Y'all over here talking like a fucking snitch. Yo, hold on, man. Put a spell on your witch. Y'all niggas ain't got shit on me, bitch. You always prance around the problem, bitch. Come and face me, bitch. It's always saying bitch. Cause you's a bitch, man. I don't like to recognize that you is what you say you, man. Man, you fucking crazy dude. Gonna have to put you out, boy.
Dude, but you can't fucking rap. You ran out of words. I did that fucking hat been in this nigga's head. It's like a fucking sidewalk had came to an end, and this nigga house is way like a fucking mile. This nigga's never home and he's a lonely little child. Now, what is this nigga gonna do? Probably come up with a couple words to spit for you, trying to impress you, but he cannot do it. This nigga's a tool, so I guess he'll have to screw it. My nigga, what you thinking? What is you gonna do? Up in the smoke, my nigga, you're a Jew. What can I say? Your shirts be tight, your pants be tight. Is your nuts alright? Because them niggas be tight, hugging and shit. You can't have kids, what's going on with it? Nigga, what the fuck is going on to you? Cause blood, cause you is over here claiming gangs like a thug, saying that you is my nigga, but then you say you not. I hate you in a pen, I throw you with a pot, and you know I'm smoking pot, and we riding in the drive, and we riding from the cops because you know that they be hot. Then you know that we got the shit up in the kitchen, whipping it, and them niggas over there be looking, lurking on the corners, but we tryna stay low-key. Them niggas knocking on the door, but I swear they don't know me. Them niggas be at me. What's going on, Devo?
You ran out of words too?
Nah, I could've got back on that beat. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is you just thinking? Did you think that I gave up? You did not see a white flag, my nigga. You, my nigga, gave up.
Damn.